Most of you already know how to adjust the font size on your Android smartphone or tablet. This feature is found in just about every single device out there, but some OEMs allow you to adjust this setting much quicker than others. For example, on Samsung Galaxy devices, you will need to launch the Settings app, find the Accessibility menu. From there, you'll select Visibility Enhancements, and then tap on the Font Size and Style option. But if you have a Google Pixel device, then we can adjust this feature much quicker. To do this, we first need to expand the Quick Settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. Now we just need to scroll through our list here until you find the font size tile. If you don't see the font size tile here, then you'll want to tap on the edit button right there. Find the font size tile from this inactive list toward the bottom, and then drag it to anywhere up here in the active section toward the top. That way, whenever we expand the Quick Settings tile, we can find the font size tile right there at the top. So anytime you want to adjust the size of the text on the screen, we're just going to bring up our Quick Settings panel and then tap on the Font Size Quick Settings tile. After tapping on it, you will get a pop-up that appears, and we can adjust the size of the text on your smartphone or tablet directly from here. So if we want the font size to be smaller, then we're just going to move this over to the left. If we want the text to be larger, then we move the slider to the right. Once you have adjusted it to the optimal size, we just need to tap on Done, and the changes will be reflected on the screen. You will notice that this will work within all websites as long as the text is not printed on an image. And we can do this change to the size of the text within an application as well. Again, as long as that text is not displayed within an image in that application. We can make it much larger than normal, or we can make it much smaller than normal very quickly, all thanks to the Font Size Quick Settings tile on Google Pixel smartphones and tablets.